How to download Roblox on PS4. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can download Roblox on PS4, so make sure to stick with me till the very end. If you'd like to download Roblox on PS4, let's say that you head over to your PlayStation store, and in the search box you simply go ahead and then basically type in Roblox over here. You'll be able to notice that the Roblox app is actually not officially available on Play Store, which means that you will not be able to find Roblox over here. That is because Roblox has not made themselves available and does not support PlayStation console. But don't worry, it does not really mean that you cannot play Roblox on PS4. You can still play Roblox on PS4 just like how you do it on your PC using your web browser, right? So you can just open your web browser on your PlayStation console and then just go to roblox.com over here, as you would be able to find it. So I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below. Just open up your browser and go to roblox.com, and then make sure that you're basically signed into your account as well. And after you're signed in, you will see this type of interface where of course you'll be able to see that you're logged into your account, and now you'll be able to simply see many of the games and Robux points that you can actually use and then play. And once you've selected a game, you'll be able to go ahead and then also play them accordingly. This way you'll be able to download. If not download, then at least you'll be able to play them using your browser. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.